uh, class 12th, subject chemistry, chapter name electrochemistry, right? So topic electrode potential. So this is the topic of this video part 5. Now what is electrode potential? Clear? So the flow of current in an electrochemical cell indicates that potential difference exists between two electrodes. Clear? Now to understand this potential difference between two electrodes, let us consider a redox reaction occurring at the electrodes. See this. So first the topic is electrode potential, okay, symbol E. Now so we are taking, this is a electrode. Clear? Now so already we tell you in the beginning, right, the flow of current in an electrochemical cell indicates that potential difference exists between two electrodes. Now here we are taking one half cell, okay. So this is a container. Now when a copper this is a copper electrode, when copper electrode is immersed or dipped in copper sulfate solution, okay. So see this is a rod, metal rod. When metal rod is immersed or dipped in copper sulfate solution, so see this, in copper sulfate solution there are two cases is there. So there are three possibilities. Number one cases, suppose this is an electrode. Now number one, this is a electrode and this copper ion plus sulfate ion, this is the ionization. So first probability is these copper ion may collide with this electrode. So first condition is copper ion may collide with electrode and and see, there is no chemical reaction and do not undergo any change, okay. This is the first probability, first possibility is this. Second case is there, this is a same case, okay. It is a copper electrode and this is a electrolyte electrode. Now first case, this copper ion loses an electron. If copper ion loses an electron, copper ion loses a electron, okay. So see this, so it gets converted into copper ion. This copper metal converts into the copper ion, okay. See this. So this process is known as oxidation. So copper oxidizes into copper ion. This process is known as oxidation. So this is a oxidation process. This is a second possibility. Now third possibility is this. Third possibility is this copper ion gets 2 electrons from electrode and convert metal atom. Okay, so this is a conversion. Okay, so this is gain of electron, it is a reduction occurs. Reduction occurs. Now, so see this. So when a copper electrode is immersed in copper sulfate solution, so see this, there are three possibilities. Number one, these copper ions may collide, and the most important thing, there is no, after collision there is no chemical change. Okay, there is no change. Now in second case is the oxidation. If copper metal loses electron like this, so it gets converted into the copper ion. So this is the oxidation process. So like this, three possibilities takes place. Now next, after this, electrode equilibrium is established. So what is this? Electrode equilibrium is established between, suppose this is a copper ion, alright, so this is a copper ion is there, or sign of, it is a copper ion plus 2 electron. Now here is a copper, sorry, so it is a electrode and it is a electrolyte and electron. So here is a separation of ion is there. So after getting, it gets equilibrium, establish the equilibrium. Okay, this is a known as electrode equilibrium. So these are the three conditions. Clear? So after this, what is the correct definition? Is studying this is to clear this. Now after this, what is the electrode potential? So electrode potential means here is a charge, separation of charge due to potential difference is set up. Okay, charge separation is there. So number one point is, the key point definition of electrode potential is the potential difference is set up between metal raw electrode and electrolyte, right? So this is known as electrode potential, right? So this is the condition. So we are going to write what is the correct definition of electrode potential. So electrode potential, the potential difference is set up, the potential difference is set up between electrode and electrolyte. Okay, this is the keyword. And the electrode potential is a measure of tendency of an half cell of electrode of an half cell. Okay, so electrode potential, this is a measure of tendency, okay, of electrode in a half cell, tendency to lose electron, to gain electron, or lose electron, to gain or lose electron. So another, this point is also important, unit is volt. The potential difference is set up between electrode and electrolyte is known as electrode potential. The electrode potential is a major tendency of electrode in a half cell, right, in a half cell to gain or lose electron. Now next 2 points is there. So after this we coming towards the types of electrode potential. Okay, types of electrode, 2 types of electrode potential. One is oxidation electrode potential, and second is reduction potential, or reduction potential and oxidation potential. Okay, E ox, E red, this is a symbol. Oxidation potential and redox reduction potential, two types. In oxidation potential, what happens? Loss of electron. Suppose this is a copper electrode, loses electron and it gets converted into copper ion like this. Okay, so this is a type of its oxidation potential. Now reduction potential. Now if copper ion gets electron and get converted into the copper metal ion. Okay, so this is known as reduction potential. Now one very important point, the oxidation potential is equal to reduction potential. So this is a reverse. So oxidation potential is the reverse of reduction potential. Okay, so oxidation potential is the reverse of reduction potential. Okay, so this is now example. If zinc, okay, if zinc, this is the zinc value is this. So if the reduction potential of zinc is, if the reduction potential yani E zinc, if the reduction potential of zinc is minus 0.76 volt, then oxidation potential will be plus 0.6 volt. So this is the example. So there we can say like this, clear? If minus this reduction potential, for example this oxidation potential is 0.6. This is the example now. Okay, so children, this video is over now. What we have learned? Electropotential. And what is this? The potential difference is set up between electrode and electrolytic cell is known as this. Clear? And it is a measuring tendency of electrode of an half cell to gain or lose electrons. Okay? Or electropotential are two types: oxidation potential and redox potentials. Clear? Now next video we will study what is electromotive force and electromotive force or cell potential. Okay, so see you children.